Did you know that AI is transforming businesses at a speed most entrepreneurs can't keep up with? But here's the real kicker. Using AI correctly could be the key to dominating your niche. Imagine the potential of turning AI into your secret weapon to skyrocket profits, optimize operations, and become an industry leader. Welcome back to Factful Finance, where we break down strategies to maximize your financial growth. Today, we're diving into how to use AI to dominate any business niche and turn it into a lucrative opportunity. AI isn't just for tech giants anymore. It's for you, the business owner, entrepreneur, or investor looking to get ahead. But how do you actually harness the power of AI in your specific niche? That's exactly what we're covering today. We'll walk through practical steps and strategies you can start implementing now to see real results. AI allows businesses to automate tasks, make data-driven decisions, and personalize customer experiences, giving you an edge that traditional methods simply can't. But here's the thing. AI isn't just a trend, it's the future. According to a 2024 report from McKinsey & Company, businesses using AI have increased their revenues by up to 20%. That's not small change, and the best part? You don't need to be a tech expert to start using AI effectively. Let's break it down into manageable steps so you can start integrating AI into your business strategy today. First off, let's talk about identifying the right AI tools for your niche. Whether you're in retail, service, or technology, AI tools are available for nearly every industry. For example, if you're running an e-commerce store, AI can help you optimize your product recommendations. Think Amazon-level personalization, where customers feel like you know exactly what they want before they even search for it. This can dramatically increase conversion rates. Then we have AI for automating tasks. Think about how much time you can save by automating your customer service with chatbots, or using AI to handle your scheduling and administrative tasks. Tools like ChatGPT for customer support, or scheduling apps like Calendly, powered by AI, allow you to focus on what truly moves the needle in your business. This leads to better productivity and, ultimately, higher profits. Next up, AI is transforming marketing strategies. Let's talk data. AI can analyze vast amounts of data about your customers and competitors that would take humans years to process. With this data, you can identify trends, predict customer behavior, and launch hyper-targeted marketing campaigns. Take Olivia, a small business owner in the fitness niche. By using AI-powered marketing platforms, she was able to increase her sales by 35% in just 6 months. How? AI helped her pinpoint the exact needs of her target customers, leading to personalized content and offers that resonated. Now let's dive into AI-driven market research. One of the most powerful ways to stay ahead in your niche is by continuously understanding market trends and your competition. AI tools like Market Muse or Crayon can give you deep insights into what your competitors are doing, allowing you to adjust your strategy in real time. AI can even predict market shifts, which means you can stay proactive rather than reactive. Let's say you're running a SaaS business like Noah. By using AI to track emerging trends, he's able to pivot his offerings faster than his competitors and gain a competitive edge. But here's the real game changer: scalability. AI gives you the ability to scale your business without having to exponentially increase your team size. Whether you're creating custom AI-driven content, automating outreach efforts, or managing customer relationships, AI's scalability ensures that as your business grows, it can keep up. Henry, who owns a consulting business, scaled from a one-man operation to a team of 15 in just under a year by incorporating AI into his workflow. He was able to process more clients, deliver personalized services faster, and keep operational costs down. But let's not forget about one of the most critical aspects of AI: enhancing customer experience. AI tools like predictive analytics and natural language processing enable you to provide a more personalized service. Take Ava, for example, who runs an online boutique. Using AI, she developed a recommendation engine that suggests products to customers based on their browsing and purchase history. The result? A 20% increase in average order value. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room: the initial investment. Implementing AI can be daunting for many small business owners due to upfront costs. But here's the good news. There are AI tools available for every budget. From free AI-powered tools to premium enterprise-level solutions, the key is to start small. You don't need to revolutionize your business overnight. Start with one area, like automating your email marketing, and scale from there. One common misconception about AI is that it replaces humans. Let me be clear, AI is a tool, not a replacement. The best business leaders know how to integrate AI with their human teams to maximize efficiency. You can automate the mundane tasks, freeing up your team to focus on creativity, strategy, and customer relationships. AI becomes an ally in achieving business growth, not a competitor. Before we wrap up, let's go over a few real-world applications. Take Amelia, who runs a boutique digital marketing agency. By integrating AI into her content creation and social media strategy, she's been able to deliver higher quality campaigns faster and more affordably than her competitors. She's also using AI-powered analytics tools to help her clients improve their ROI, resulting in more business and referrals. So how can you use AI to dominate your niche? Start by identifying the right tools, automating key processes, analyzing your data, and scaling your operations. The potential of AI is limitless, and it's within your reach. Want to take your AI game to the next level? Subscribe now, and let's keep breaking down the most powerful strategies to grow your business with AI. What's one AI tool you're excited to try? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing from you. And remember, this content is for educational purposes only, and not financial advice. Always consult a certified financial professional for personalized guidance. If you found this helpful, you'll love the next deep dive we're preparing. Click the video on screen to keep learning how to leverage AI in your business for maximum success. Let's keep pushing those boundaries together.